Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Mellany. I do cleaning, organization, and lifestyle videos. Normally I post videos once a week, but this week I decided to post a bonus video for you guys. So I went to Target and I bought some things, and I'm going to do a small haul for you guys. And at the end of this video, I'm going to show you guys how I changed my centerpieces. I'm going to do my coffee table, and I'm also going to do my dining room table. I want to say this though. The original vision I had for my home was like farmhouse, and I love farmhouse. I just love farmhouse. But I'm sort of kind of wanting to switch over to boho, or at least incorporate some boho pieces into what I already have. I don't know if there's such thing as boho farmhouse, but I'm gonna make it work. So hopefully these pieces that I'm about to show you will reflect that. Hopefully my centerpieces will reflect that boho type minimal theme, if that makes sense. But I'm not gonna talk your ear off because I be messing up. So let's go. I bought this lantern from the dollar section. I think I'm going to put this in one of the centerpieces. It's cute, right? Yeah. I bought two of them. Next up are these candles I bought from the dollar section. It says Home Sweet Home. It's written really thin, so I don't know if you can see it or not, but I thought these were cute. I love the color, the neutral tones. I bought these Glade candles, my favorite scent, like I mentioned in the video yesterday. Sheer Vanilla Embrace. And it's just a plain white candle, classic. You can go in any room. And it smells amazing. I bought this canister. It was $4.99 from, this is made by the Hearth and Hand collection. Just a glass canister. I think I'm going to put some picks in it. Oh, speaking of picks, I bought these green eucalyptus looking type picks. I think greenery is just all that as far as a pop of color. Oh, I bought this here mill holder, I guess. Pray for me with the mill. Pray for me with the mill, y'all. I still haven't gotten together. It's like piles of mail all over. I just can't. I can't. I bought this sign. This says, well, it's not a sign, it's a picture. It says Home Sweet Home. I thought that this was nice. Oh, and I bought these shirts for my kids, and one also for myself. Has some of the pioneers all here, some of the on here, some of the greats: Malcolm, Harriet, Martin, Maya, and Frederick. This is cute. I think I'm definitely gonna have to plan a photo shoot so we can wear those shirts. Here's a charger. It's like a woven charger. I think I'm gonna use this for my centerpiece. I thought it was a placemat, but the back says charger. And lastly, am I on the last thing? Yep, I'm on the last thing. This was a very small haul. I bought storage baskets for my next video. I'm going to be organizing my bathroom closet, and I needed more baskets, and I thought these were cute, and they were having a sale for 15% off all storage items. And if you look closely, you can see a little pattern on here. I really like to stay in like the neutral tones, but I like the little design that's on here. I think that's gonna look nice once I put everything together. So that's it, guys. Let's get started with fixing my centerpieces. I want to thank you all for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and please make sure that you're subscribed, and also that the notification bell is turned on so that you won't miss the next video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.